Let us start exercise number 5.3. First question. Find the sum of the following AP. So we have to apply the sum of the AP equation. S is equal to, what is the equation? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So find out all these letters values from the given AP. Then directly substitute the values, find the sum. Okay. Here it is given that first part 2, 7, 12 and etc. is an AP, and total number of terms 10 terms are written here. So we can write n is equal to total number of terms, that is 10. What is A? A is equal to first term 2. What is D? D is equal to second term, that is 7 minus first term 2. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So we can find out Sn, total number of terms n is equal to 10. So S10 is equal to n by 2, n is equal to 10. 10 by 2 into 2a, 2 into a is equal to 2 plus n minus 1, n is equal to 10, 10 minus 1 into d is equal to 5. Next, normal calculation and calculate the value. 10 by 2 is equal to 5 into 2 into 2 is equal to 4 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 9 into 5 is equal to 45. That is equal to this 5 into 45 plus 4 is equal to 49, which is equal to 245. This is the final answer. Okay. After taking all the values from the question, then substitute all the values in this equation, you will get the answer. Second part, do it as homework. I am doing third part now. Third part 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, up to 100 terms. So 100 terms, we can write n is equal to 100. A is equal to first term 0.6. D is equal to second term 1.7 minus 0.6. Value of 1.7 minus 0.6 is equal to, what is the answer? 1.1. 7 minus 6, 1.1. So 1 minus 0, 1. 1.1. Now you go D is equal to 1.1. Next I am applying Sn is equal to same equation, n by 2. What is n? 100. Sn. So we can write x 100. So n by 2, 100 by 2 into 2a. 2 into a is equal to 0.6 plus n minus 1. N is equal to 100. 100 minus 1 into d, 1.1. Okay. Which is equal to 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50 into 2 into 0.6 is equal to 2 into 6, 12. And one number is mentioned after this point, so you should mention 1.2 before first digit. You should put point here. Again, plus 9 minus 1 is equal to 99. 99 into 1.1 you should calculate. So 108.9 will be it. So 50 into 1.2 plus 108.9 is equal to 110.1. So 50 into this number is equal to 5505.0. That is 5505 will be the final answer. So this is normal multiplication and divisions. Do it very careful. Okay. Next, fourth part 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, etc. to 11 terms. So we got n is equal to 11 terms. So 11. A is equal to first term 1 by 15. D is equal to second term 1 by 12 minus first term 1 by 15. So after that you can take the LCM. LCM of 12 and 15, if you are calculating, you will get 60. So 60 divided by 12 is equal to 5. 5 into this 1 is equal to 5 minus 60 divided by this 15 is equal to 4. 4 into this 1 is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 divided by 60. Now you go D is equal to 1 by 60. N is equal to 11. A is equal to 1 by 15. Next I am going to substitute all these values in the equation. Okay. Sn is equal to Sn. What is n? 11. So you can write 11 here. N by 2. 11 by 2 into 2 2 into 1 by 15 plus n minus 1, that is 11 minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by 60. Okay, so I am calculating 11 by 2. I am writing here 2 into 1 by 15, that is 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. So 10 by 60. So we can cancel these two. We will get 1 here, 6 here. So 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Correct? So next take the LCM. 11 by 2 I am writing here. 15 and 6. LCM you can write it as 90. So 2 into 6, 12 plus 1 into 15, 15. 12 plus 15. So you can write here 12 plus 15, which is equal to 11 by 2 into 12 plus 15 is equal to 27 divided by 90. So cancel as much as possible. Here you can cut it by 3. So 9 comes here. 9 into 3, 27. Here it comes 30. So you will get here 99 divided by 60. 99 divided by 60. Okay, again I am cut it by 3. Here you will get 33. Here you will get 20. So the final answer is 33 divided by 20. So after getting all these values, directly substitute the values in the equation, then find out the answer. Okay, after that normal mathematical calculation only.